Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Claude Code in Visual Studio Code so that you can use Claude as an in-editor coding assistant. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have Visual Studio Code installed on your device. If you want to download it, you need to come here on the official website of Visual Studio Code, which is code.visualstudio.com. Over here, you can download this software for your Windows PC. So once the installation is completed, you just have to launch it. Once you are inside your Visual Studio Code, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of extensions. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Claude or Anthropic, and once you search for it, you will find Claude Code, which is the official extension from Anthropic. So you need to basically click on it. Now simply click on the option of install, then select the option of trust publisher and install. Now once you have done that, you will need to add the Claude API key, or you need to sign in here in the extension. So this connects VS Code to your Claude account. So if the extension asks for the model or the context settings, you just have to choose the coding optimized model and set a reasonable content window so that Claude can read your files. So this is how you will be able to install and connect Claude Code with your Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.